Living near Eagle Road or other high-traffic areas offers convenience, but it can also come with a downside: constant noise. From passing vehicles to everyday street activity, outside sounds can easily make their way into your home, disrupting comfort and relaxation. Fortunately, upgrading to noise-reducing patio doors is an effective way to create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment without sacrificing style or functionality. One of the main reasons patio doors can impact noise levels is their large glass surface. Older or poorly insulated doors often allow sound waves to pass through easily, making traffic noise more noticeable indoors. Modern noise-reducing patio doors are designed with advanced materials and construction techniques that significantly limit sound transmission, helping you enjoy a calmer living space. A key feature of these doors is multi-pane glass. Double or triple pane designs include multiple layers of glass separated by insulating spaces. These layers help disrupt sound waves, reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. Some patio doors also include specialized glass, such as laminated glass, which has an inner layer that absorbs sound vibrations. This combination creates a more effective barrier against external noise. Sealing is another critical factor in noise reduction. Even small gaps around a patio door can allow sound to seep in. High-quality patio doors are built with tight weather stripping and precision seals that close off these gaps. When properly installed, they create a snug fit within the frame, preventing both air and sound from entering. This tight seal not only reduces noise but also improves energy efficiency and overall comfort. Frame material also plays a role in sound control. Durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum provide stability and help minimize vibrations. A strong, well-constructed frame supports the glass and enhances the door's ability to block noise. For homes near busy roads like Eagle Road, this added strength contributes to a noticeable improvement in indoor quietness. Sliding patio doors are a popular option for noise reduction because of their design. With fewer gaps and a streamlined structure, they can create a more consistent seal compared to older door styles. French patio doors, when properly installed, can also offer excellent sound insulation, especially when combined with modern locking systems that pull the door tightly into the frame. Another benefit of noise-reducing patio doors is how they enhance overall comfort. A quieter home allows you to relax, focus, and enjoy your space without constant interruptions. Whether you're working from home, spending time with family, or simply unwinding, reducing outside noise can make a significant difference in your daily experience. In addition to sound control, these doors still provide all the benefits you expect from a patio door. Large glass panels allow natural light to enter your home, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. You can still enjoy views of your outdoor space while maintaining a barrier against unwanted noise. This balance between openness and protection is what makes modern patio doors so effective. Energy efficiency is another advantage that complements noise reduction. The same features that block sound, such as multi-pane glass and tight seals, also help regulate indoor temperatures. This means your home stays more comfortable while potentially lowering energy costs, especially in areas with changing weather conditions. Professional installation is essential to achieving the best results. Even the most advanced patio door won't perform effectively if it's not installed correctly. Proper alignment, secure fitting, and careful sealing ensure that the door functions as intended, providing maximum noise reduction and long-term reliability. Maintenance is typically minimal, making these doors a convenient upgrade for busy homeowners. Regular cleaning and occasional checks of seals and hardware are usually enough to keep them performing well. In the end, noise-reducing patio doors are a smart solution for homes near Eagle Road and other high-traffic areas. By combining advanced glass technology, strong materials, and proper sealing, they create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. If outside noise has been affecting your home, Upgrading your patio doors can make a noticeable difference, allowing you to enjoy peace and comfort every day.